This is fucking different.
Ew, I love these mountains.
I get it. This is totally fucking different from what I even perceived.
Yeah, I didn't visualize it being so mountainous. But, yeah.
I love the mountains, man.
Sint Maarten is an island in the northeast Caribbean, approximately 300 kilometers east of Puerto Rico. The 87 square kilometer island is divided roughly 60-40 between France and the Kingdom of the Netherlands. It is one of the smallest sea islands divided between two nations, a division dating back to 1648. The population of the entire island is roughly 77,000, with 41,000 living on the Dutch side and 36,000 living on the French side.
We were driving and there was a mill trip and I was with Miss Marlin. And we're driving up the Revelstoke and there was a helicopter.
In the camera or the bar? Oh yeah, this is the best, one of the best bars I've ever been to. Man, that's a swim up pool right there.
That thing is smoking, baby. Smoking. This is fucking different.
Ew, I love these mountains.
I get it, man.
See that digging into that fucking
The mountains, yeah, they're making the
I
road.
wonder what they're doing.
Making the road.
But for what? It could be just a house up there. It could be just a fucking. No,
Yeah,
it could be just a fucking resort up there.
Yeah, they're building something
You know what I'm
probably,
saying?
yeah.
I've done that already on another mountain. That's building resorts on the mountain.
That sucks, ruins the mountains.
Yeah, it does. But
This is totally fucking different from what I even perceived.
Yeah, I didn't visualize it being so mountainous, but yeah.
I love the mountains, man.
Yeah.
I love it. I mean, I love the mountains.
So that's the airport.
Bada bing over there, cuz.
yeah, you see it? Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing, baby.
There it is.
Yeah, baby, bada bing.
Is that the best one?
I don't know. Huh?
Is that the
Bada
best
bing
of them?
sounds like a title, so I want the money.
I don't know if it's the best one. Maybe it is, but I don't know. I ain't never been there. I ain't never been there. This is St. Kitts and Nevis flag.
Okay. That's supposed to be a nice place.
Yeah, that's
there.
some Portugal flag right there.
That's Dominican.
No, that's not Portugal.
No, Dominican.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's Dominican right there. That's Dominican.
Haiti. Sorry.
Haiti, okay.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. That was Haiti. Dominican, that's Panama flag right there. Then it's Colombia or Venezuela.
Hey, I see Brazil. I see Brazil.
Yeah, Canada's further on. I don't know if
Yeah,
it's
the Canadian. Watch over the door. Yeah, any country that has a big soccer team, I'll know their flag. That's it.
Where the two men were apprehended and remain in detention pending investigation.